Danke bafethu, welcome back to Nkuliso wakho. Ngicela ningakhohlwa ukulike and subscribe. Kaizer Chiefs izodlala nezamalek. Umdlalo wayedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs last time i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala nezamalek, la izamalek yashaya khona i-Kaizer Chiefs yayinokha out nge-away goal rule. Uthi isikhathi ukuthi i-Kaizer Chiefs ithole i-revenge after 32 years. Imagine abadlali abaningi abadlala ku-Kaizer Chiefs bebangakazalwa nokuzalwa 1992 last time i-Kaizer Chiefs idlala nezamalek ku-CAF competition. So nasi statement, I think isiqale la phezulu vele. So i-legendary former Kaizer Chiefs defender bafethu ikhuluma ngendaba yokuthi izamalek yabashaya kanjani, yabapreventa ukuthi baqhubeke laphana ku-CAF Champions League ngo-1993. So after Kaizer Chiefs ngo-1992 bafethu win i-National Soccer League, which is i-Betway Premiership namhlanje. Amakhosi-ke wahamba represent i-South Africa ku-CAF tournament ngo-1993, but indlela yabo yabayikhatha short bafethu ngoba bashawa izamalek mayibanokha out laphana kule competition. So ngo-1993 Kaizer Chiefs ilo izamalek kuthiwa ya-eliminate noma yashaya i-Kaizer Chiefs yayine-star. The first match-ke yadlalelwa la i-South Africa bafethu Kaizer Chiefs la iwina khona 2-1, but-ke i-second match noma i-return leg yadlalela lapha ne-Egypt. So ama-side wethu azodlala-ke lana bafethu. So umdlali noma wayedlalela i-Kaizer Chiefs bafethu uthi i-Kaizer Chiefs kumele ishaye le team lesikhathi se-revenge. Naw amagama akhe mekhumbula laphana last time Kaizer Chiefs idlala nezamalek, uthi uyakhumbula uthi those days-ke bebangana-clue noma bebangazi nge-continental football, bebadlala nje ibhola. Uthi bebangekho even aware ngama-away goal rule ukuthi ama-away goal rule asebenza kanjani. Uthi babashaya laphana e-FNB and then-ke iy'nkomishi zashintsha laphana noma amatafula ashintsha once mebefika laphana e-Egypt. Uthi-ke into bebangayazi at the time, bebangayazi indlela yokudlala away nendlela yokudlala at home. Uthi nje kulama competitions la kusho ukuthi kumele ube ne-style odlala ngakhona e-home. E-home you have to win, obvious. Away u-avoid i-defeat, that's the way to approach. Uthi izamalek la ne-South Africa beyidefenda nje kuphela, beyingadlali leyo defensive. Uthi bona ezi-Kaizer Chiefs they were all over them, kusho ukuthi beyingana-chance izamalek. Uthi-ke baze bakhuluma bodwa ezama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs laphana ku-change room ukuthi iy'nkomo lezi, mswahla lezi zinto, ba-weak. So uthi-ke bekunomjida laphana wase-Nigeria, uthi u-Emmanuel Amunike. Uthi-ke wayebonakale different noma ngithi ehlukile kunabo. Uthi uyakhumbula atshela ulokhunjani u-Eric September ukuthi laba sobabulala, laba sobafinisha le y'nkomo lezi, sobashasize sibashayele ne-Egypt. Usho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yayine-confidence at the time ukuthi izobashaya, but ukuthi once bafika laphana e-Egypt uthi bese seba-rough and then-ke than lana elokhunjani e-FNB Stadium. Usho ukuthi izinto besezishintshile-ke laphana. Uthi before that encounter badlala nama-Gunners from eBotswana as well as ama-outfit ase-Rwanda bafethu iKiyovu Sport. Obviously ukuthi kusho ukuthi Kaizer Chiefs yashaya lawo ma-team lawa from i-team yase-Botswana nase-Rwanda, and then uthi kwenza izinto zaba easy for bona. Uthi-ke ku-match day against izamalek abantu beba kuma-stands bonke babegqoke white. Uthi-ke mabakora laphana igoli, everyone laphana e-stadium wayeshaya i-Mexican wave. And then uthi uthi beku-goalkeeper wabo chaza ukuthi u-goalkeeper wabo u-Hedson, yes. Uthi-ke na beyashera i-room no-Albert laphana. Uthi-ke bekumele i-Kaizer Chiefs bi-progress further laphana, but-ke ayizange ikwazi ukuprogressa noma idlulele kwesinye isigaba se-competition because of izamalek. Uthi maybe i-Kaizer Chiefs bekuzoba i-team yokuqala e-South Africa la ukuba ne-star, but-ke luthi le season lena i-season ye-revenge. Kaizer Chiefs kuzoba nzima kakhulu, but Kaizer Chiefs izodlala ne-Al Masry yase-Egypt bafethu bathi nge-23 November, but-ke ama-date between 21 to 23 November kuzoya nge-Al Masry le e-host i-Kaizer Chiefs le ne-Egypt ukuthi izothini. And then around 7 days later, around 30 November izodlala ne-Al Ahly yaselokhunjani why ngithi Al Ahly man, i-competition ye-Al Ahly which is izodlala nezamalek. Izamalek lena-ke i-Kaizer Chiefs expected ukuthi ishaye izamalek ithole i-revenge for the first time in 32 years. Imagine bafethu uthwalisa umthwalo ongayazi nokuyazi. Man, uyodlala nabantu abashaya abantu ongakazalwa nokuzalwa kuthiwa nina mele niwine, but i-history na-identity ye-team ne-pride ye-team bafethu kusho ukuthi laba abathole i-opportunity yokuthi badlale ba-represent i-Kaizer Chiefs, they have to try and go all out, go go all the way ukuthi bazame ukuyishaya iZamalek. And yabo lento le revenge eZamalek ayiqali manje ukushiwo lo ubaba lo even nomphathi we-Kaizer Chiefs i-sporting director uKaizer Motaung Junior ushilo naye ukuthi isikhathi se-revenge because the last time badlala nayo ilokhunjani iZamalek yabashaya, so kumele bakwazi ukuyishaya iZamalek bathole i-revenge yabo bafowethu. Yeah, this is funny, but it's not gonna be easy. But Kaizer Chiefs unpredictable. The last time befika kuma-CAF competition bafika ku-final ye-CAF Champions League. That was like at the peak of a pandemic. La Happy Mashano wathola i-red card, and then second half-ke kula i-Al Ahly yashaya amagoli khona yababulala ukuthi bangakwazi ukuthola i-star. I remember it was a big buzz. Ama-player we-Kaizer Chiefs at the time lawa bewalaphana apromise ukuthi azobuya naso i-star, but it was not meant to be for Kaizer Chiefs. But-ke this time around obviously abadlalela i-star because it's second tier of African football. But still, it's a big competition on the continental level to establish themselves as one of the big giants of African football. Because without ukudlala kuma-CAF, kwamanye ama-country ngeke banazi, khohlwa. Kusho ukuthi bangezwa ngani but ngeke bani-replace, bani-respect man. For example, for some time, bengizwa nge-team ekuthiwa iSimba yaseTanzania, but I didn't care. Bengizwa nje kancane kuthiwa eTanzania khona ibhola nakhona nginganaki nokunaka. But I only started hearing kahle ngeSimba once benza kahle kuma-CAF competition. I remember bakuthiwa iYanga neSimba kuthiwa banama-billionaire owner. I remember umphathi, can't remember if umphathi weSimba noma weYanga beka kuma-headlines kakhulu kuthiwa i-billionaire and then bamkidnaphile washa wacima. So true, but I was getting that information because of bengilandela CAF football. Whether a CAF Confederations Cup or a CAF Champions League, Kaizer Chiefs, they have to do well. They have no reason ukuthi bangenze kahle laphana ku-continental level, bafowethu. They have to win. They really have to. Well, I'm not saying they have to win the competition, but they have to do well. Ukuthi babonise ngempela ukuthi okay, bayi-Kaizer Chiefs, they're one of the biggest teams on the African continent. Nangu ushilo Miguel Cardoso ukuthi bona as i-Kaizer Chiefs, they're one of the biggest teams on the African continent. They have to back that leyo nkulumo. Bakwazi like ukuba strong. I mean, basho ukuthi njengoba bathi they are the best on the continent, they have to be mentally fit. And I like what ulokhunjana uButi said la ukuthi bebanga-understand ukuthi i-continental football ukuthi isebenza kanjani, ukuthi e-home kumele udlale kanjani, ukuthi away kumele udlale kanjani. So i-Kaizer Chiefs nabo njengoba bebhizi uKaizer Motaung benza i-research enkulu bafethu ukuthi uma baya laphana ku-continental level kumele bamisele kanjani nanokuthi kumele badlale kanjani. Bayazi nabo ukuthi at home akumelanga baluze, at home bayawina, away bazame ukupreventa i-lose. Ngcono-ke bathole i-draw away, ngcono bathole i-draw. If kuyawineka, they can try and push for i-draw, i-win, but isikhathi esiningi nje they don't have to lose away. They don't have to lose man at home. That's the most important thing. They don't lose at home. Kusho ukuthi wonke amagame abawadlalile e-home bayawin, and then kuya away banga-compromise ukuthi mhlampe they can get a draw, because sibonile even nalaphana eCabo Scope yase-Angola bashayile away, but get home bayishaya 1-0. Lucky enough bakwazi ukuwina kuma-penalty bafethu. Phela ama-penalty lotho ngabe igame eKaizer Chiefs kwenzakalani, ngaba they didn't make it to the continental level. But I think they learned a lesson, a big lesson, ukuthi you don't lose away because you never know ukuthi home kuzokwenzakala kanjani. But at home they're able to create ama-opportunities, ne-fan base ikhona, ama-fans ayakwazi ukubabheka, ayakwazi ukubasupport, ayakwazi ukubanika leyo kick ne-strength, which is very important for bona heading to this competition. Na i-full fixture-ke eKaizer Chiefs bafowethu. So bazodlala nge-23 November, bazodlala ne-Al Masry away lapha ne-Egypt, kusho next week. And then nge-30 bazodlala neZamalek. And then-ke iyastopha because of kuza i-AFCON. And then nge-25 January bafethu badlala neZesco away lapha neZambia. And then nge-1 February badlala neZesco la e-home eSouth Africa. And then nge-8 February badlala ne-Al Masry, badlala nayo la eSouth Africa. And then nge-15 February badlala neZamalek le elokhunjana e-Egypt. It won't be easy ukudlala neZamalek e-Egypt, but home kumele bayishaye. This month i-Kaizer Chiefs kusho ukuthi they can get a draw against Al Masry unless if iyashayeka lapha ne-Egypt bayishaye even away. But-ke i-statement win sabo mabangashaya iZamalek because iZamalek iza ku-competition with one goal in mind ukuthi bafuna ukuwina le competition. Abazange ukuzodlala, they are entering the competition to win. No coach ofikile kuZamalek kwazi kahle kamhlophe ukuthi ulethele ukuthi azowina i-Continental Championship, which is the CAF Champions League, which is the CAF Confederations Cup, because they could not qualify for the Champions League this season. But-ke nayo bayi-respecta i-CAF Confederations Cup, by-value so high because they understand that, you know, ibabeka on the pedestal in terms of respect ku continental level. So if you said Kaizer Chiefs, it won't be easy. They have to win their home games. It won't be easy, bafethu kuzoba nzima kakhulu. But I mean, it's a game of football. It's unpredictable. You'll never know. But they are ready. Njengoba bakwazile ukusayina ama-player bafethu ane-experience abafana noBole Bohang, maboy abadlalile ku-continental level. Lilepo udlalile ku-continental level. Umayo udlalile ku-continental level. Baningi, even though Vuma bebakhona laphana, I've just introduction yakhe uVuma ku-continental level. Then when they reach Champions League, I think he got some game time. I didn't think he got some game time, but when I did my research, I realized that okay, he got some game time. So, but abantu abane-experience kakhulu oLebohang Maboy no namanye ama-players laphana Kaizer Chiefs afana noLilepo, because of they played ku-continental level, they know what to expect. That is, even abadlali abafana nabo Igataro in terms of his strength bazobasiza kakhulu. uSilva being from Egini, he will get noma he will give iKaizer Chiefs a different strength heading to this competition njengoba bazoyiqala. Kumele akwazi ngempela ukwashaya amagoli. So far abadlali abakorile for iKaizer Chiefs bafethu ku-continental level, funny enough, like u-Igataro korile, uLilepo ukorile bafethu. So okay, I'll try and get lo munye futhi okorile. In fact, uLilepo, yazi uLilepo uyakwazi ukukhipha iKaizer Chiefs ehlathini, like unokuserious bafethu. Ukuthi-ke unokushaya la kungamelanga ashaye khona, but ku-continental level uzoba serious ngempela uLilepo bafethu. But already i-strikers zakuKaizer Chiefs eziwu-2 sezikorele laphana ku-continental level. Yeah, zizoba important kakhulu going forward because that aggression bayayidinga serious bafethu, hayi indaba yokudlala. They need that aggression for iKaizer Chiefs. Ngicela ukubamba lana bafethu okwamanje. Ngicela ningakhohlwa bafethu uku-like and subscribe. I give you more, or noma I deliver, or I post more news about iKaizer Chiefs. Ngilethela zona zishisa bafethu. Neyibandayo siziletha zonke iy'ndaba, but mostly ngilethe ey'shisayo. Nkuli Soccer. Ngicela ningakhohlwa uku-like and subscribe. Make sure ukuthi sikhulisa le page leli eli-independent ukuthi libe one of the biggest pages on in fact eSouth Africa, ukuthi sikwazi ukuba ne-voice yethu, hayi ukuthi silalele abanye abantu ukuthi basitshele ukuthi sikhiphe izinto kanjani, sikhulume kanjani. Danko bafethu.